Okay, what's the matter with you? Why the hell are you watching this? This video is merely, well, something that some people seem to like. This is my snap-on ratchet, and as you can see, I've lost me little flipper. So I called Snap-on and said, "Hey, broken." And they said, "No problem, we'll send you a new rebuild kit." That's why I love Snap-on. I've had this thing for years, and I just called them and said, "Hey guys, you know, it am broke. What do I need to do?" They said, "Well, don't worry, Mr. Mees, we will send you a brand new kit to fix it." So this is the kit. Obviously it has more parts in it than I really need, but we will see what happens when we try and rebuild. T9 is what you need to undo the screws. I'll put these to one side because I got new ones. So I've been given way more than I actually need, but hey, we ain't going to argue. Now we're going to do is try and get this motherfucker out of here. Ooh, it don't want to come. Unlike me, I like to come. There we go. See, push that in there. Alright, let's see what happens. Okay, we can put that to one side. Ah, there is a seal on that. And that is the seal that goes for that. Alright, so, I mean, I've really got way more than I need here. Let me pull that out. And that. And then the little spring-loaded thingy there. So I've got a hell of a lot of new shit that I probably don't need. So let me put my new spring in there. My new piece. I'll try and get this. Should have paid attention to how that come out, shouldn't you, Gary? You're an idiot. I think it's that way. See what happens when you don't pay attention? You might need to get a little screwdriver on that. Don't go away. So if I'll push this back. Hee. Well, that's going to be fun, isn't it? I'm sorry if you can't see what I'm doing. I can't see what I'm doing. Yeah, everything's always easy to come out. And you want to put it back in, like she said last night. It's not so easy, is it, huh? First you have to find the right hole. Not that there's a wrong one. Hee. Okay, maybe there's a different way to do this. Maybe you push on that like it's a clitoris. You push on it and then you can get in the hole. Yeah, look at that. Well, that worked. Alright, so then the next piece would be that. Then on the other side, okay, so that's, oh damn, now I see why there is 3 screws, because one of them goes through there, does up with the T9. Gotta say, it's not as pretty as the original, but hey, whatever. If it makes my wrench work. Now, I don't see one there, so let me see where, oh yeah, we can pull that one off. Put on the nice new one. That has nothing to do with it. We do have the grease, so we will use the grease, because I want to make this thing last as long as I can, for obvious reasons. Alright, so we slap in the grease, and let's just squirrely-dirly it around. I don't know what they're for. They must be for something, but not for this. Now if I can just get this to fit in there nicely. Okay, so that's in. Now I get my other two screws, stick them in the hole. And again, guys, I'm sorry, it's gonna sound like an advert, but I cannot recommend Snap-on highly enough. I have used their tools for years. Whenever there's been a problem, they fix it. They don't fuck around, give me a receipt, all this kind of crap. They've got everything on record. I have bought more tools from them than I care to think, and so have a number of my friends. And they are always helpful when you call customer service. Right, so is that fixed? That sounds good. Flick it the other way. Oh. Look at that. I'm back in business now, huh? That is beautiful. Alright, so these are all extra pieces. Don't really need to keep those, or those, or the screws. In fact, I think I'm just going to trash the whole lot, because I've got a nice new set, and if I have a problem, I'll call Snap-on and they'll give me a new one. The kit for this particular wrench is RKRCF830. That is for a 3/8 drive 30 tooth. 30 tooth. Well, not that you care, but this was manufactured in November of 2019, but that doesn't really matter, does it? That is beautiful. Thank you very much, Mr. Snap-on. Thoroughly appreciate your tools, and I will continue to use them, and I will continue to buy them. And I'm looking at that thinking, I put that on the wrong way. Duh. So let's engage my brain cell, shall we? Take it off. Oh dear. Sometimes I really do wonder at myself. Yeah, we take it off and we put it back on the way it should be, so that it points to what you're trying to achieve. In other words, whether you're trying to achieve to put something on or take something off. I haven't got a clue why I put it that way round. Probably because I'm a retard. There we go. That's better. Terrific. Thank you, Mr. Snap-on. We are back in business, and it took me all of a couple of minutes.